All right, guys, it is time to talk about time. Hey, how many successful people do you know that just seem like they get a ton of stuff done? And we're over here saying, I don't have time for that. There's not enough time in a day. Yeah, everybody's got the same 365, the same 24 hours in a day. So how do those individuals get so much more done than what you seemingly get done? Look, because everybody has the same amount of time, it's just simply what they give priority to. Look, your money's the same way. So I'm going to give you a phrase that I want you to start using. Every time that you catch yourself saying, I don't have enough time for that. So if somebody calls and wants you to do something, you say, I don't have enough time. Or you know you're supposed to do something in your personal life and you say, I don't have enough time. Or you're supposed to do something in your business life and you say, I don't have enough time. Here's what I want you to do. I just simply want you to change the phrase. And I just want you to say, that's not a priority to me. Okay? So think about this for a second. One of your children comes to you and says, Dad, will you help me with my homework? How many occasions have we might have said, Sweetie, I don't have enough time? But if you change that phrase all of a sudden to say, you know what, Sweetie, that's not a priority to me. All of a sudden, that gives you a little gut check on what maybe should be a priority to you. So that'll help you start identifying the things in your life that are the most important, the things that absolutely have to get done for you to become successful and build the relationships that you want. So think about when you're building your team. Someone says, hey, can you do a 3-way call for me? You know what? That's not a priority to me. What message does that send not only to your subconscious mind, but also to the individual that's wanting to do that 3-way call? Okay, so your money's the same way. Do you want to buy investments? Yeah, but I don't have enough money for that. How about that's not a priority to me because you stopped this morning when you got gas and you picked up a big gulp and a candy bar. Okay, so those things were a priority to you because that's where you put your money. So you'll put your time and you'll put your money into the things that are a priority in your life. So if you really want to know what's a priority and what should be a priority, just start using that phrase. That's not a priority to me. All right, guys, try it, see what happens. See ya.